Oh, she's giving him a hug.
He's giving her a hug.
Yeah, Cheeto. Cheeto's a cutie. Cheeto's a hell of a cat, isn't he?
I think you don't like him.
I think they know I'm filming now. Now they're going to ham it up for the camera. They said, I know you're putting this on YouTube. Dang. How much licking can they do? They've been doing this forever. He almost looks like a vampire, don't he? I'm going to suck your blood. My God. This is crazy, guys. I know you usually see wrestling videos on my channel. I'm sorry, I went brain dead for a second. Didn't I go brain dead? Babe. I go brain dead sometimes, don't I? They can't see you. You can speak. What are you afraid of? Nobody sees you on camera. She's afraid of the camera. She's a mean woman. Oh, look at them. They're going to make out now. Too bad they didn't like... I should put some porn... I should put some porn music to this, huh? It's like 2 minutes. I think I'm going to do 2 minutes.
He's biting him.
Yeah.
Or biting her.
What are you biting? Let me get a close up. This is it. It's like, I think like a vampire. You see that? It's biting his throat. She keeps biting the throat. Watch. Why is she doing that? Isn't that crazy? She'll lick her over a minute and then try to, like she's a tiger. See? Candy. That's crazy. That cat's gonna end up killing that dog. You better, I don't know. It's crazy. It's like she's a gazelle. Look, she got a hold of her. She's not letting her go. She's not letting her go.
He's not letting her go.
He is not letting her go. Excuse me. She wants up. Okay, you two. The cat's waiting to go for the kill. He actually does have a pretty good grip on the dog. She does look like a little gazelle, and he looks like a tiger. Oh, they do her hugging. And the cat reaches over and rips the dog's throat out.
God, he's all about licking. She must taste good.
I don't know. She's like, let me go. Okay, they're fighting. They're fixing. She's done now. She's like, let me go.